Okay, welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make ginger and lemon tea. This has been recommended to us from one of our viewers from Malaysia. So thank you for the recommendation. This drink, according to what we've researched, is a very, very good immune booster. And I'm so for making recipes of this nature at least once or twice in a week because of the time that we are in, and it's just generally, even if it wasn't the year that we've had, I think generally it's very good to have things like this in your weekly diet, in your daily diet, that helps you to remain strong in terms of your immune system, keeps your immune system strong. So let me just give it a go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That's quite nice. That's very nice. I'm quite impressed with that. I thought it might be a little bit on the simple side, this recipe, but what I like about it is that there's such a lemon in it. It has such a dynamic way of hitting your tongue. So with that said, let's move on to the recipe. I'm going to begin by adding in 2 cups of water. This much. And we want it to boil. I'm going to add in 1 lemon, which has been quartered. So there's like 4 pieces because we cut it into quarter pieces. Okay, like so. Okay, I'm going to add in 1-inch ginger into here. I've got 1 cinnamon stick. That's important. And now I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir now. Okay, so we've brought this to a boil. I'm going to let this simmer for the next 10 minutes. Now this is a lovely immune booster drink. Very good, it gives you a positive charge. Good for energy, good for revitalizing you. So let's just let it boil now for a bit. Okay, so we've let this simmer for a good 10 minutes and now it's time for us to just pour it into the glass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a teaspoon of honey. I want it to be a little bit, I want it to be sweetened a bit. I always like having a warm beverage, especially when it's like watery, with some honey in it. It's been quite a few years that I've really gone away from having sugar, maybe on the rare occasion, but it's just honey. So with this recipe, you can multiply it by 3 or 4 folds with each ingredient that we put in. So each ingredient that was shown to you, you can multiply it by 3 or 4 folds, and then you can actually have this stored. So then from time to time, you can go back to it and warm it up and drink it again, and you can serve it to your family, because it's just convenient to sometimes make a large amount so that it just becomes easy for you to then just make it, not having to boil everything once more and then put things individually. The reason why we actually showed you the quantity that we showed in terms of the ingredients is because we were like, let's just have 1 glass, but you can definitely increase this by 3 or 4 folds. So you can treble or quadruple that. Now with that said, do like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you're informed of our daily releases, share this content to as many people as possible. And comment below what beverages you'd like for us to make in the future, or what food, or what starter dish, main course, dessert, whatever you would like to recommend. Do recommend that in the comment section. Like this video. Our viewer from Malaysia recommended this and we were like, okay, let's just make this. They also gave us the recipe of this. So that's something that I think maybe that's the first time, if I'm not mistaken, that's the first time that's happened, that we were given a recipe and then we followed the recipe that was given to us by one of our viewers. So thank you for that. And do also follow our Don Imran Family Kitchen Facebook page and our Don Imran Family Kitchen Instagram page. And with that said, catch you in the next one.